this question here, you want to do this part here, is pretty okay. So first thing is to find dy dx. So dy dx, implicit differentiation. So dy dx, y e minus y minus half x equals 0. Differentiate with respect to x. This will be y e minus y times minus 1 dy dx plus e minus y dy dx minus half equals to 0. Okay, so you find dy dx first lah. No question asked. So dy dx would be minus y over ey. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put ey like that. Minus y e minus y plus e minus y. So half. Okay. Now the next part is the tangent parallel to y-axis. Y-axis is this one here. Okay. Y-axis is this. This has got the gradient of you should know this already. You cannot not know what is this. You have to know what is this, okay? Cannot know what is this. So this is dy dx tending to infinity. You cannot put equals to infinity because you do not know whether it's positive infinity or negative infinity. You just write tending to infinity, okay? So in other words, the denominator will be tending to 0 lah. The denominator equals to 0. So I'm just gonna put this like that. Okay, so this one you can rearrange as such. So hence 2e minus y, 1 minus y, 0 tends to 0. Because if this goes to 0, then the whole thing will tend to infinity. So hence e minus y, 1 minus y equals 0. But e minus y cannot be 0 now because it is always positive. Okay, and then and 1 minus y equals 0. So y goes to 1. So you know that this is y equals to 1. So you want to find the equation of tangent which is parallel to x-axis. So this is x equals to something. You need to find what's the x. So you just sub 1 inside back. 1 back in. So hence 1 e minus 1 minus half x equals to 0. So yes, you are right. This answer is wrong. It's a 2 over e. Equation of Mr. Tan. Okay. Okay. Question, please ask.